Welcome to VisuALS. Today, Jevin will be showing you how to unpackage and set up your VisuALS device. In your VisuALS package, you will find the following: a Braven Bluetooth speaker, your Tobii eye tracking bar, a Logitech Bluetooth keyboard, a Joy Factory mount, two components of the metal case, and a Microsoft Surface Pro. The VisuALS software is already installed. There are two possible Joy Factory mounts that can come with your system: a desktop mount, as seen on the left, and a C-clamp mount on the right. To set up the C-clamp mount, start by fastening the C-clamp to a stable surface. Next, fasten the additional two joints so that the arm is firmly in place. After you have safely placed the Surface Pro into the case, carefully attach the magnetic mount on the back of the tablet's case to the arm, and tighten the red screw located directly behind the magnetic mount. To set up the desktop Joy Factory mount, place the base on a stable surface, fasten the arm to the base, and tighten both joints. Next, carefully place the magnetic mount on the back of the tablet's case to the arm, and tighten the red screw located directly behind the magnetic mount. This is your Tobii eye tracking bar. It will follow the movement of your eyes such that you can control your tablet. Place your Tobii eye tracking bar into the housing located on the bottom of the case. Slide it until the eye tracking bar secures itself to the magnetic strip located in the center of the casing. Plug the eye tracking bar into the USB port and you're ready to go. This is your Bluetooth speaker. To charge the speaker, undo the thumb screw on the back. Slide the speaker off the stand and open the rubber flap. The USB charging port is underneath. Close the flap, slide the speaker back on, and remember to insert the thumb screw back into the speaker. The charger for the speaker is in the bottom of the case. The speaker comes pre-synced to your system. To turn on the speaker, hold the middle button on the side of the speaker until you hear a startup noise and see the front light come on. If the speaker happens to disconnect from your device, turn your speaker off, then hold the power button longer than you would to power it on. You will hear the startup noise followed by the searching noise. This is your Logitech keyboard. It comes pre-synced to your system. To use it, be sure to turn on the power switch on the side of the keyboard. It should connect immediately to your system. If the keyboard becomes disconnected from your system, hold the F1 button until the light begins to blink, approximately 5 seconds. Next, we will walk you through using the VisuALS software and internal components setup. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are using a mouse so that you can better see the screen. However, these same functions will be available to you using the touchscreen function. In order to proceed with the rest of the setup, you'll need to be connected to a wireless network. On the bottom right-hand corner, select the Wi-Fi option. Select whatever network you would like to connect to. You should be connected and ready to go. When you receive your device, the Bluetooth speaker and keyboard will already be connected. Should they become disconnected at any point, or if you choose to connect to another device, the following instructions will help you set up your device. Click the caret in the bottom right-hand corner to expand the list of options. Select the Bluetooth icon and then click Add a Bluetooth device. On this settings menu, select Add Bluetooth or other device. If the Bluetooth device has been properly powered on, you should be able to see it in the list of available devices. Once you've connected to it, you will be ready to go. At this point, we will set up your calibration for the Tobii eye tracking bar. To access the Tobii menu, select the two dots in the bottom right-hand toolbar. Go to Display Setup. This will make sure that your device is properly set up with the bar. There will be two notches on the top of the bar that you will line up to these lines. If it is in the mount, however, it should already be prepared. Go back to that bottom menu, and once the menu has totally loaded, you should be able to select those two dots in the bottom of the menu. This will lead you to the user profiles. Every set of eyes is different, and so this will allow you to calibrate the device to your specific gaze. You can set up whatever profile you wish. Once you have selected the profile, select the button in the bottom right-hand corner. This will walk you through the process of calibration. The software is already set up with the calibration process. Follow it all the way through, and by the end, you should have a confirmation that your calibration was successful. After that, we have one more step. Select Gaze Trace in the Tobii menu. If you wish, this can provide a helpful cursor so you can see where your eyes are being read on the screen. Here you can open up the VisuALS software by selecting the VisuALS icon. In Settings, under Voice Settings, you can toggle the gender of the voice between male and female depending on your preference. If you go back to Settings and back to Main Menu, you can select Text to Speech. Here is the visual system where you can type with your eyes and speak using the system. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your VisuALS system. For further questions or for customer support, please contact us at 866-767-4997.